Have you ever heard this shocking truth? After the age of 60, most people lose about 1% of their muscle every single year. By the time many seniors reach their 70s or 80s, they've lost nearly 20 to 30% of their total muscle mass. But here's the good news. You are not powerless. You don't have to surrender to muscle loss. In fact, you can fight back and even rebuild strength using the right food, not just supplements. And no, I'm not talking about swallowing handfuls of magnesium tablets. Forget the pills, because nature has already given us a miracle food, rich in magnesium and packed with other essential nutrients, that help stop sarcopenia and rebuild your muscles naturally. So please, like this video, leave a comment telling me where you're watching from, and subscribe so you never miss our powerful health tips for seniors. We're building a supportive community here, and your story might just inspire someone else to take charge of their health. 1. Spinach, the green muscle protector. When you hear the word spinach, many people think of Popeye popping open a can and instantly bulking up. But that cartoon isn't too far from reality. Spinach is a powerhouse for seniors. Why cooked? Because spinach contains compounds called oxalates that can block calcium absorption. But when you cook spinach, steam it, sauté it, or boil it, oxalates are reduced, allowing your body to absorb more magnesium, calcium, and iron. Magnesium. Spinach is one of the richest natural sources. Magnesium is essential for muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and energy production. Without it, muscles weaken and cramp. Nitrates. Studies from Karolinska Institute in Sweden show that leafy greens like spinach improve muscle efficiency. Nitrates in spinach actually help muscles use oxygen more effectively, meaning you can stay active longer with less fatigue. Vitamin K. Critical for bone strength, reducing the risk of fractures. 2. Pumpkin seeds. Tiny seeds, giant benefits. Pumpkin seeds, or Balcabac tumu, may look small, but they're nutrition bombs. Magnesium. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds gives you nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs. This is higher than most supplements deliver, but in natural, food-based form. Protein and zinc, essential for muscle repair and immune function. Seniors often suffer from zinc deficiency, which slows down healing and increases infection risk. Healthy fats. These support joint lubrication and reduce inflammation, making movement easier. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition shows that people who consume pumpkin seeds regularly have better muscle mass retention as they age. 3. Chia seeds, ancient energy for modern seniors. The Aztecs once called chia seeds their running food. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds are perfect for seniors battling sarcopenia. Protein plus fiber combo. They provide sustained energy without spikes in blood sugar. Omega-3 fatty acids, vital for reducing inflammation and keeping joints flexible. Magnesium and calcium, protect both muscles and bones. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel-like texture. This helps with digestion and makes them easy to add to overnight oats or smoothies with almond milk and a dash of cinnamon. 4. Greek yogurt, creamy muscle builder. Not all dairy is created equal. Greek yogurt is richer in protein and probiotics than regular yogurt. Protein power. 1 serving packs about 10 grams of protein, crucial for muscle repair. Probiotics. Gut health is directly linked to nutrient absorption. A strong gut equals stronger muscles. Calcium plus vitamin D. 4 bone density, protecting against fractures. Pair Greek yogurt with berries for an antioxidant-rich snack that fuels your body and satisfies your sweet tooth without added sugar. 5. Berries. Nature's antioxidant shield. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. These colorful gems are more than just delicious. Antioxidants. Fight oxidative stress, which damages muscles and accelerates aging. Vitamin C. Helps with collagen production, essential for tendon and ligament health. Anti-inflammatory compounds. Protect against chronic inflammation that weakens muscles. Fun fact, a Harvard study showed that women who ate berries regularly delayed muscle aging by up to 2.5 years. 6. Feta cheese and cherry tomatoes, Mediterranean muscle duo. Feta cheese, combined with juicy cherry tomatoes, is a classic Mediterranean pairing. And the Mediterranean diet is proven to extend lifespan and protect muscles. Feta cheese provides protein, calcium, and probiotics. Cherry tomatoes, rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to stronger bones and reduced inflammation. Together, they make a light but nutrient-packed salad. Drizzle with olive oil for added healthy fats. 7. Potatoes and brown rice, the right carbs for strength. Carbohydrates are not your enemy, especially after 60. You just need the right kind. Potatoes, rich in potassium, which balances sodium and prevents muscle cramps. Brown rice, a slow-digesting carb that fuels muscles with steady energy. Pair these with grilled chicken or shrimp for a balanced muscle-repairing meal. 8. Garlic and olive oil, the anti-inflammatory heroes. Garlic is more than a flavor booster. It's medicine. Allicin, found in garlic, reduces inflammation and supports blood flow. Olive oil, packed with monounsaturated fats, protects the heart and joints. When combined, they create a natural shield against chronic disease and muscle loss. 9. Shrimp with lemon juice and dill, lean protein delight. Shrimp is low in calories but extremely high in protein. For seniors, it's one of the easiest muscle foods to digest. Protein density, 20 grams of protein per 3 ounces. Astaxanthin, a marine antioxidant that fights oxidative stress. Iodine and selenium, crucial for thyroid and metabolism, often overlooked in older adults. Add fresh dill and a squeeze of lemon juice for flavor and extra vitamin C. 10. Cinnamon, almond milk and overnight oats, breakfast for champions. Imagine waking up to a creamy bowl of oats soaked overnight in almond milk, sprinkled with cinnamon and chia seeds. Oats, complex carbs that stabilize energy. Almond milk, fortified with calcium, gentle on digestion. Cinnamon, helps regulate blood sugar, preventing energy crashes. This breakfast not only fuels your muscles but also protects against diabetes, a major risk factor for seniors. 11. Steamed vegetables and ginger tea, gentle healing. Simple steamed vegetables may sound boring, but they preserve maximum nutrients without added calories. Pair them with ginger tea, which aids digestion, reduces inflammation, and warms the body, perfect for evenings. So there you have it. From spinach and pumpkin seeds to shrimp and overnight oats, these foods are not just meals, they are medicine for your muscles, bones, and vitality. Supplements have their place, but nature already offers a miracle menu that fights sarcopenia and restores strength after 60. The more of these foods you include in your daily meals, the more power you give your body to stay active, independent, and full of life. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs a health boost. Together, we can fight the hidden dangers of aging and build a stronger, healthier future.